Segment is sponsored by U Online at the University of Utah. Are you looking to add another degree to your resume? Well, Todd from the University of Utah is here to share a fantastic option with us. Todd, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me on the show. It's an honor to be here.
Absolutely. Okay, what is engineering management and systems engineering?
So we started a Master of Engineering Management, and engineering management is about half of an MBA degree. It is the management, the leadership side, how to motivate people, but the other half is on the quantitative decision side. How do you make an optimal decision? Because if you can make better decisions, it's easier to lead people.
Yes.
Now, we all started a Master of Systems Engineering, also online and on campus, and systems engineering is about how you make these complicated products. How do you make sure the electrical circuits don't interfere with like the mechanical movements or with people, and try and keep everything running safe and smooth.
Okay. Fascinating. And why is system engineering in the U.S. and in Utah so important?
So systems engineering is largely derived from the U.S. government. And they got tired of having products that just failed. They gave companies billions of dollars and nothing showed up out of it. So they said, we'll only give you a contract if you have enough systems engineers. And then they oversee the whole project, make sure there's no problems, and the product comes out great. And in Utah, it caused massive problems. They stopped getting any contracts. And so the people around here lobbied Utah and said, hey, legislature, we need more systems engineers. And the Utah legislature made a really good choice, and they give money to both the University of Utah and Weber State to grow more systems engineers.
Okay, incredible. Yeah. And why did you leave a tenured position in Kansas to take the lecturing position here in Utah?
So there were a couple different decisions I did. One, life in Kansas is a lot more boring than life in Utah. It is.
True.
It's, I don't know, skiing's awesome.
Yes.
Okay? But that was only about 10%. The other aspect was I grew up in Provo. I had to go to Stanford and apply for a Ph.D. before I ever heard systems engineering. And in my opinion, systems engineering has been a hole in the education in Utah for like 40 years. And I'm looking there in Kansas and I'm like, this is a great opportunity for me to come back, start a program from scratch, build it. I'm not doing research anymore, so it can just focus on benefit to a student's life and their career. And I can build it from scratch and fix a whole problem in Utah that's been here for a long time.
That's amazing. And I guess an informal way to check the quality of academic classes or programs involves student growth. Are your programs growing?
Sure. So my first systems integration class had 17 students in it. How many students do you think I have this semester?
75?
I actually have 98.
Wow.
I know,
that's
it's crazy.
incredible.
Like 5 to 6 times growth in like 4 years.
That's amazing.
And you don't get that unless the quality of the classes are really good. It's online, so you can watch them late at night. A lot of people work and keep their jobs and still make the money, and they take 1 or 2 classes online a semester. In 2 years, they get a raise and a promotion, and they have all this knowledge, and they tend to do very well.
Wow, that's amazing. And real quick, how much is tuition?
So because the legislature's funding, we set it at the same cost as if you were on campus, which is $2,700. And it's like 25% cheaper than Colorado State and most online programs around. And that's thanks to the legislature.
That's amazing. And for those who are watching, where can we go for more information?
Systems.utah.edu or online.utah.edu.
Wow, that's incredible. You guys got to go check it out. Todd, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me on the show. It's been a real honor.
Absolutely.